you want to put out content that attracts quality audience, I want you to focus on sharing these 5 kinds of content. All right, now, number one, share how you get results for yourself. Now, most people are afraid to share this because of their scarcity mindset. They're like, if I share how I get results, isn't somebody going to copy it? Bro, share how you get results, man. Like, they can't copy everything, and most of the people who would actually say it would not take action on it because it's free, but it would get them closer to you selling to them. So it's a win-win. So share how you get results for yourself. Number two, share how you get results for clients. All right, because people would buy from you when they see that you don't only get results for yourself, but you get results for other people who pay you money. Right, number three, share your process. All right, if you have a way of doing things uniquely, share it to people. It's not a secret you should hoard, it's something you should share with people. All right, number four, share your tactics and your methods. That strategy that worked for you to help you make a lot of money in the past, you can share with people too, so they can make that amount of money you made too. All right, number five, share what you're building. I do this a lot. It's good to share what you're building, so the people you're about to sell to would feel part of the building process. Now, I would say this again, a lot of marketers don't share this because of this scarcity mindset. They're like, oh, I don't want to reveal my secrets. If I share all this, then what would I sell? So what now happens is the people who they're trying to sell to just sees content that everybody shares or everybody's saying the same thing. And the moment you stand out and begin to share these 5 things that people don't share, boom, you get a large share of the market who are like, they'll be running to you like, oh, this guy shares a lot of valuable stuff. And attention is interest, and interest is money. Right? So share more of these 5 things. They would help you build quality audience that buys, not just platitude audience that just want to feel good, or audience who are just hungry for free stuff. You should try this. It really works.